a glimpse into the future, life on the moon. In the year 2050, humanity's dreams of inhabiting the moon have become a tangible reality. What was once a distant, glowing orb in the night sky is now a bustling hub of activity and innovation. The story of the future life on the moon is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. The lunar colony, known as Artemis Base, stands as a testament to human achievement. A sprawling complex of domed habitats, interconnected by tunnels and walkways, it is home to thousands of scientists, engineers, and adventurers from around the globe. Life on Artemis Base is a harmonious blend of technological advancement and sustainable living. Sustainability is at the core of life on the moon. Solar panels blanket the lunar surface, harnessing the sun's energy to power the colony's infrastructure. Water is a precious resource, recycled and reused in closed-loop systems. Hydroponic gardens and lab-grown meat provide nutritious food for the inhabitants. The moon has become a hub for scientific research and technological innovation. Mining operations extract rare minerals and resources, essential for Earth's industries. 3D printing facilities create everything from tools to habitats using lunar regolith as raw material. The low-gravity environment makes manufacturing and construction efficient and cost-effective. With advancements in space travel, lunar tourism has become a reality. Visitors from Earth flock to the moon for once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Lunar resorts offer breathtaking views of Earthrise, low-gravity sports like moon golf and lunar rock climbing, and immersive educational tours of the colony's facilities. The moon has become a melting pot of cultures and ideas. International cooperation and collaboration thrive on Artemis Base, with scientists and researchers from different nations working together towards common goals. Lunar art exhibitions, music festivals, and culinary events showcase the diversity of human expression in space. Life on the moon is not without its challenges. Radiation exposure, lunar dust, and psychological effects of isolation are constant concerns. However, advancements in medical technology, innovative engineering solutions, and psychological support systems mitigate these risks, ensuring the well-being of the lunar inhabitants. As humanity settles into its lunar home, eyes turn towards the next frontier, Mars and beyond. Artemis Base serves as a stepping stone for future missions to the Red Planet and beyond, laying the groundwork for interplanetary exploration and colonization. The story of life on the moon is a testament to human ambition and resilience. It is a legacy of exploration and discovery, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars and beyond. The moon, once a distant dream, is now a beacon of hope and possibility for all of humanity. As the sun sets over Artemis Base, casting long shadows across the lunar landscape, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the future that awaits us among the stars.
Boys, have you heard about the Artemis Base on the moon? It's incredible what humans have achieved.
Yeah, Mom. I read about it in school. They have domed habitats and tunnels, right?
That's right, Tom. It's like a whole city up there with scientists, engineers, and adventurers from all over the world living and working together.
I heard they use solar panels to power everything and have these cool hydroponic gardens for food.
Exactly, Alex. Sustainability is a big focus on Artemis Base. They recycle water and use advanced technology to grow food in space.
It's amazing how humans have adapted to life on the moon. The blend of technology and sustainable living is inspiring.
It makes you think about the possibilities for the future, doesn't it? Imagine what life will be like for you both when you're older.
Do you think we'll get to visit the moon one day, Dad?
Who knows, Tom? With advancements in space travel, anything is possible. Maybe you'll be one of those adventurers living on Artemis Base someday.
I want to be an engineer and work on building colonies in space.
That's a wonderful goal, Alex. The future of humanity in space is full of opportunities for people like you who dream big and work hard.
Here's to the Artemis Base and the incredible achievements of human ingenuity. May our dreams of exploring the stars continue to inspire us all.
The family continues their dinner conversation, filled with excitement and wonder about the possibilities that await humanity on the moon and beyond.